everyone, CosBox 2.0 here, and today I got you guys another unboxing video. Today, we're unboxing the 1979 International Scout 2. This is something unheard of. Because I actually never heard of this truck before. I actually never seen one before. And I didn't know even International even made this one. I saw a little version in a game called SnowRunner. Now, there is some facts about this one, so I gotta read along to you guys. It says, International Harvester began building trucks and pickups in 1907. The first Scout was debuted to the public on January probably in the early 1900s. Oh yeah, it says it over here. January 18th, 1961. It was available in both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. The Scout 2 debuted 10 years later in April of 1971. And the color for this one is a custom maroon metallic. So I don't think you guys even seen one before. But if you have, please let me know in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think about this one. Okay, it's time to unbox it and get a closer look. There we go, it's out. Okay, now we'll see it up close. Oh. Alright, the tires, they're Goodyear tires. Okay, now it is this one. It's the hood. I think it's open. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, my phone fell. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep my phone like this. Well, the hood. I don't think the hood opens. Nope, it does not. It looks like doors don't open either. So, looks like nothing opens on this one. I think that's probably it for this one. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. And hopefully my phone won't fall again. And alright, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.